Introduce VOVO STYELMENT Bidet Seat, a new way of living that cleans yourself with water, using less toilet paper. Utilize the bidet seat for intimate hygiene for your inner health. This is the installation guide for VOVO STYELMENT Bidet Seat. These are the necessary components for installation. Please advise the installation manual for correct installation. Turn off the tap to stop the water supply. Flush the toilet to empty the water tank. Detach the hose from the water tank. Attach the T-valve and existing hose and the new hose to the T-valve. This is the suggested dimensions for round and elongated toilet. Insert the rubber nuts. Please put the template on top of the toilet. Secure the base bracket in this order. Remove the template before attaching the product. Link the product and the hose. Turn on the tap to open the water supply. Attach the remote control to your preferred location. Plug in to turn on the bidet seat. Check the power LED light to see if the bidet seat is operational and installation is now complete. Warm air dryer in 3 adjustable temperature reduces usage of toilet paper. Built-in deodorization provides additional touch in your bathroom. LED nightlight guides you in the dark. Enjoy the comfort with heated seat. Self-cleaning, full stainless steel nozzle guarantees hygienic usage. Thank you for watching our guide, and always be comfortable with VOVO STYELMENT.